If you don't want to say it, it's all right. But I know a slow barrel.
Yes, those cars. Are you a bit concerned?
No. Squaddy
Okay.
get a chance. I give Squaddy a chance already. I never take it. He never want it. So
Okay, so Kenty wasn't really a threat.
no, he wasn't.
Okay.
Remember the under them know they known for one run and can't go back again, you know. You understand?
Okay.
Can't tell that, you
Either
know.
engine failure or drivetrain.
Yes. Them known
Okay.
for that, you know. And come like condo.
You're not throwing any words though, Omar.
Me not afraid for choice.
They have all the good stuff.
What, bro?
Yeah, man. Thing good.
Why? You say they're gonna join me in 9 seconds, but it's actually 8 seconds me count for your join me.
Yeah,
So,
but you don't know.
so me not, me not know if it's another clue that you agree.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see what I go on still. All right,
Yeah,
I just
man,
want to
yeah.
say big up to our sponsors for making this our nightly live series possible. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, our performance, quickly wrecking and haulage, boosting horsepower in a bottle, Zidach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and our newest sponsor to join on Kaizen Wrecking. So be sure to check them out on social media. Yeah, man. So, Omar, the man in the hot seat tonight.
Everything all right?
Everything plug in, man. Everything plug in.
All right. Oh,
Cause we know
we
say,
have wards power tool outside, you know.
yeah.
Plus flow. So you know, so everything I work on my side.
All right. So if anything, I'm on my side.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Why, Omar? Why this COVID-19 thing really kind of slow you up a little way, you know?
Yeah, but we just have to just stay safe, isn't it?
Yeah, you know, we have to encourage everybody.
Yeah.
Stay safe, and you know, the sooner we can get over this, the better. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So,
Yeah.
but how things though? I mean, where you been up to?
Well, nothing much. Just I go and relax. Worried a bit what to do because I have my brother stuck in Spain. So
Wow.
we just have to just pray. But
Yeah,
I go
yeah.
all right, man.
Yeah, man.
Me soon
Yeah,
send
man.
me soon send a Nissan plane for him.
Now we know you have the links like that, you know, Omar.
That's cool, man. Yeah, man. Enough man have links, you know, but guess what?
Yeah.
Some of them links weak. Some man attack say them have links. I want to them.
Where's the links weak?
I'm if I tell you. And them attack when them don't know.
Yeah.
Them attack when I go so though.
Whoa. Hey,
Yeah.
send like a petrol to come cross now.
That I think now, how you gonna get it? I do a lot down.
Yes, it. All right, put it down till we link up, sir. Put it down.
Just like that.
Yeah, man. Where I never go with?
I'm good, man.
All right.
I'm good, you know?
All right. Without further ado, so 12 minutes after 8. You know, Ross built, big up. Yeah, we see the peeps them are tuning Warface. No man, if you're just tuning in, you don't really miss anything yet. We're just about to start, so you're pretty much early, you know.
I wait for them, man.
Yes, it. Yeah, man. But let me kick it off now, Mark. You know, time is of the essence. Big up spinners. But me know you don't know no Omar, but you know, to them is strong, you know. Me should even be up on the live, you know, but me say no man. Yeah, man, to them is strong, man.
So you up now, I'm gonna just take a shot for you. Okay? That's all.
Yeah, you up now.
Tell Spinners I have one of film special because Spinners is my rum man, you know. I watch him in that group, you know.
Yeah, man.
Rum tea.
Yo,
happy birthday, bro.
Respect, man. Me I say, boy, on a night like tonight, me should really take off, you know, take a little break. But me I said, no, man, me can't. I 9-second boss, you know. The 9-second king. No, man, we have to run interviews the way, man.
Yeah, understand? Man.
So, you know, big up everybody who, you know, giving me a shout out. You know, the day was I mean, pretty much low key, but you know, we have to give thanks for life and health, same way. Yeah, man. So we appreciate all the shout out, you know. Yeah, man. Big up. All right, Omar.
Yeah, man.
I could go straight tonight, now, man. Who is Omar 9-second king Evering? Cause everybody want to know now.
Yeah, I think them know already.
Well, you always have some newcomers.
Yeah.
So for the latecomers who don't really know who is the 9-second king.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Just let me know.
Nissan Dan started from Seymour, you don't know? Yeah. Seymour the boss.
Zid. All right. Make we take it back now. The first interview we did with you. You know, you said, boy, the way how you used to love racing, you know, you used to just more time when daddy think you're on a room asleep, you're gone a race.
For real, man.
You know, we're not encouraging anybody to do that still, you know what I mean? But, you know, you were in good hands. You were in good hands and responsible persons. You are own responsible persons, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But oh, that passion, you know, what really drive you to do that, Omar?
Well, watching Seymour, first of all, I never even think I would even be racing today. I just used to be around Seymour and his race car just to help him. And honestly, he's the one who actually tell me that, yes, Omar, you can do it. And it was a surprise. He just did plan it and say, yo, you're up now, Omar. Your time now. Say, yo, what you say? I say, yeah, man. Are you gonna drive it? Well, he never saying to say, yo, are you gonna pedal it? So he said, oh, you know you can do it. So he said, yo, I know you can do it. So let's go ahead and do it. You understand? So he's the one who actually drive me into it.
Same. Well, see, Uncle Seymour there, man. Big up Uncle Seymour. Yeah, man. Bless up. So, from this up, it start and, you know,
it wasn't a situation where I actually grew up in it. And I say uncle, cousin, or nobody like that. Whenever I really have nobody around, I used to do it. Just get caught up around Seymour and just from there it all started.
So no member of your family used to race?
No.
So you're the first generation of racer for your family, pretty much?
Yeah. Right. First and the only.
Right. And I mean, you know, we don't know what the generation to come what will be their interest, but who knows, you know?
Yeah, you never can tell.
You never can tell, you know. But for somebody who didn't have any member of their family in the sport and to see the level that you reach now, you know, it is pretty, you know, a good look. It's a good look.
Definitely.
About what year you'd say you started racing, whether officially or unofficially? You know,
Well, it would be officially because I never know nothing about the church thing.
About what, Omar?
Church.
Oh yeah. Got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I never know much about that, as in going up there and race and all of that. But it would be official.
Yeah.
Officially. A couple of years now, you know, but after, you know.
Don't give us a rough. I know you probably not gonna remember directly, but can give you a rough.
All right. It would be about 12, 13 years now. 12 to 13 years now.
Okay, so we are looking for like about 2008, 2007.
Yes, yeah.
Same. When you started though, what was the first car you started out racing with?
It was a Nissan AD wagon.
Yeah,
man.
I remember that, Omar.
All right. You have this guy. He come from I don't know. I think it's up Claremont side. You know, you have a lot of people out there that like speed and they would love to own a fast car, but they rather watch it down the track. So this guy come around Seymour and tell Seymour he need some speed.
Yeah.
So Seymour built a car for him and Seymour put it together, and after he put it together, race time. It happened that he cannot drive the car. And nobody never know that. He only can drive it on the road. So Seymour say, yo, you have to go pedal it. Yeah, man.
What was that the red 80?
Yeah, man, it was a red 80 wagon.
Remember that one?
Yeah, so the guy couldn't drive the car, but he couldn't race it, but Seymour put it together for him, and that's where it all started. Because Seymour said, yo, Omar, you have to go pedal it because I cannot drive two cars.
So,
so from there, so now I say, and it was Jamus. Yeah, it was Jamus.
Okay, which motor was in it at the time?
A regular SR20.
DE
motor. Yeah, SR20.
Okay.
And it was doing 16 seconds. It was doing 16 seconds, and basically, Mr. Young said, listen, all the newcomers, the track is open to you, so you can just go ahead and do whatever you want to do. So I drive it from 16.2 until it reached 15.4 that day. Well, my rev it till the muffler just break off. Because it was just a regular stop muffler. regular stack exhaust. So we just rev off the muffler until it got way down into 15. And I did win the 15-second class.
And the first outing?
Sunday. Come on, definitely.
So,
if we win from day one, you know.
Well, that me just go stay now because it look like stay. Because the platform was already set on your debut.
Yeah.
So it looked like you just continue that trend till today.
Definitely.
You know, see it. But you say you won the 15-second class, right?
Yeah.
What was that feeling like though?
Great, man. Great. Come back again. And
I mean, was that one of the greatest feeling for you?
Of course. Definitely.
It feel better than any of the 9-second win them where you win?
No.
No, okay. All right.
No. I will explain that later.
Yeah. We are reached them, man. We're going down there.
Yeah, man. Yeah, what happened is Seymour ended up bought that car.
Yeah.
The guy, I think he was going overseas. I think he left for some job thing or whatever. So Seymour and I bought that car. So I was the driver for that car until like a week before.
Yeah.
There's a meet a week before, and Seymour. I said, yo, me want to be the one to buy some spark plug and service this car, and knowing that I go drive it, I tell everybody. Then time that I work, I would tell everybody, say, yo, me race this week, me race this weekend, and whatever. So it end up that. So I bring some spark plug to Seymour, and I bring it to him, and I see the car. So I said, well, Seymour gone on the road to come back. As it used to be in daily car. So end up that I said to me, see him in the shop, I see him like a tool pan on the ground, and then look at umbrella, I left him umbrella, And I said, I don't know if Seymour really and truly learn out him car like that.
Yeah.
And I said, yo, what the car there? He said, boy, Seymour look for me away, I said, wait.
Yeah.
But really go on. Why, say one brother from Poland come take the car from me though.
Jeez.
What you mean?
What you say?
Yeah, I said, brother, what you mean? I said, why? Until him say me start crying now, say, I really and truly I take this thing serious. And I start crying.
So hold on, you start crying, Omar?
Then what me I go do?
I'm there tell everybody, say you're going to race. And then no car.
No car. Yeah, man. So, he said to me, sir, boy, I'm sorry about that, but boy, I know about. But you never know some love it. See me in the comment. You never know some love it until that day. So, you go back to work. You go back to work and say, yo, man, I don't know this thing here, man, because it's a joke thing.
Disappointed.
Yeah, man. Yeah, well, and see me wicked. Yeah, you call me. And say, yo, come check me there. Come check me.
Yeah.
I wonder where I come with it now. I say, you have a little bridge and I have a little car up a great pan there, and him want me and him go look on it. He would have helped me with it and whatever. So I say,
Yeah.
Where me to get money from?
Yeah.
Say, no, man, come man, don't worry yourself. So go look on the car. The guy said, he want $40,000 feet. It was a Nissan Sentra. Say want $40,000 feet. End up pay, I think about 25 or 30 grand for the car, because the guy who buy it from him actually love the racing, and him normally their own Seymour too and all of that. So that say, all right. Never no engine, no wheels, no engine. So that was it, and put it together until come back and win some 15-second.
Was it the Lucino? Was it the Lucino?
No, it was a Nissan Sentra. That was my first car.
I can't remember that they carried it, Omar.
A blue Nissan Sentra. Give all of them idiot, man. When I kill Lorenzo. Then
hold
Lorenzo
on. The one that Toller did have after? Another one there?
No, that was Seymour car.
All right, go on talk. Me I try to remember which car, but go on talk, sir.
I actually put it in the same color that it is that you see Toller car in.
Yeah.
Same color, same blue. Yeah, my car was just like that.
Okay.
Yeah, with some black wheels on it. Yeah.
Okay. So which motor you put into it?
The same regular SR20, but me get all right. It's like I don't know if you know chicken wheels.
Yeah, man.
All right. Seymour said, yo, go look for some engine down there. And I go down there. It's 3 different engine. And just because this one have a extractor on it, I tell myself this is the one I wanted. It was about $30,000 more on it.
Right.
So Seymour said, No man, take the cheaper one because you don't know money Russian. Money Russian and your man need money to do other things. And I said, no, this I want. This one I want. I actually have the money to buy the other one.
Yeah.
But I tell myself that the one with the extractor I want.
Yeah, yeah.
I say, no man. No worry about that, man. No worry about that. It has some nice plugs, plug wires. Plug wires on it, you know. Nice and pretty.
I didn't catch you, Omar.
Oh, you mean? So I said, this one, see one.
Yeah.
I leave the money. I leave the money on the place and we left without an engine because I never have all of the money.
Yeah.
Within a day, I come back. Get the money and come back. And put it together and I tell you, create whole heap of headache with that car. As in, I give them headache.
So tell me something now. So all of the people them were at your workplace who you did tell say you go race and thing, you know, them never excited for know say you get back on new wheels and thing.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, man. Of course. Yeah, man.
I know you're not for worry. Say, I'm gonna go, you know, Uncle Seymour I go sell the machine again. You're not worry about that.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
exactly.
So you say you have the Sentra for a while. You know.
And when name Alpine, rest in peace. Remember one time Lorenzo sent for Alpine to beat me, you know, for church, you know. Yeah, right. Couldn't beat me. As I said earlier, I really used to beat.
Yeah.
I normally win. Straight winnings. That's what we know. That's what we know, isn't it?
Zin.
So, and I want to let somebody run a 14-2 with it. Seymour just put it in the
comments. Yeah, man.
Yeah, run a 14-2 with it.
Zin.
Yeah.
Zin.
Yeah, run a 14-2 with it, and people used to say, yo, the time they're not real, and ray, and I look down the whole car.
No nitrous.
No nitrous.
Zin.
You see,
all right.
On the 3 specs.
Yeah. It worked though. Yeah, man.
It does.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So what made you know? What was the next machine after that?
After that, I go for the Lucino.
The red one.
Yeah, the red Lucino.
That I remember.
Yeah, and I actually set up that car, and within a week. All right, when I set up that car, turbocharged, I tell Seymour, listen, I want to go like 12s. This is what I want. I need 12. That's 12 second hot them time there, you know. And he say, all right, no problem. Put the Lucino together. It was a shell. As me not trust nothing unless Seymour do it, you know. I gotta be honest, you know. You understand? So me get that car now, and when me get the car now, put it together, and car never have any brake. Yeah, so Seymour tell me, say, Omar, much brake now in this, you know, we're gonna work on this tomorrow. But we can lock off one wheel and
get a look at that.
At least you have. Yeah. Because the left front wheel wasn't. There's no brake in the left front wheel because that disconnect altogether. Coming from work, and I actually crash. Yeah, man.
Omar,
yeah, man.
You know, say enough of them things we are said tonight. I know them.
Yeah, man.
You never know this. Yeah.
We
you never mash up. I mean, well, how bad was it?
It was really bad, didn't it?
Yeah.
Well, one side of the car.
Oh yeah, sir, bro.
Mash up, man. Yeah, and Lucino, we couldn't get parts with that much because it wasn't a car that popular.
Yeah.
And if I have to buy back a car for your next guy, mash up the car, did mash up. Well, his car, not mine. well, one side, but I fix it back.
Yeah.
Take out back everything.
Fix back which car? The guy car or your car?
No, I buy back a car for the guy and end up that
Okay.
way. Yeah, fix back my car.
Okay.
And do over back everything. The front did alright, because the car actually drive that night. It was the side. So it's alright. New piping, new intercooler. It's a booby. See, I would comment and say a pineapple it up. Booby, big up. Yeah. So put it back together, and at no time, man, the car ready again. Pretty. And I spray it all over. Pretty. Red car. New wheels, everything.
Fresh.
And yeah, man, fresh machine. Come back out first run, 12s, low 12s. I think the best time was 12-1 with that car. And actually say again, straight winnings.
Straight.
Winnings again.
All right.
12 second trophy, could I just give it to them time? They say, yo, what a trophy? That 12 second trophy.
So hold on there now. So I guess we could have said, 12 second king. You're retired that.
Yeah, man.
Straight.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
Zid.
Yeah, man. Great. Nobody couldn't beat me at church neither.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Nobody couldn't preach like me at church.
Remember that car, that man? Well solid.
Yeah,
well solid car. You know what I mean? See.
Remember all one time Spoon used to try, we used to make him be the member of church, And
Back row.
listen to the... Yeah, man. Yes, man. Listen to the pastor while him preach. You see me? So me used to deal with him. You see me? Yeah, man.
Zid.
I want to tell you, say,
Yeah.
When Seymour put the car together,
Yeah.
never, ever damage nothing in that. Well, never damage an engine in that car.
Yeah.
Never, ever damage an engine. I don't know how engine look when it mash up. You see me? And remember one time I go over Simmons Plaza, Wayland Plaza. Yeah. It's a Wayland. The whole of it there we drink and
Nice.
Wayland.
Yeah.
See him say a chew there, come like him know exactly what I'm going to say. He can't say it fear, man. They tell Wayland say, yo, you can mash up this engine, innit?
Zid.
And I say, yeah, idiot. It's alright. The only thing you can damage from this are the gearbox. He must say, yeah, idiot. You know Wayland is a underman. And it's alright. He have a Tundra. Them time there.
Yeah.
And I give him the car and say, keep it. Try and mash it up. Do anything at all you want with it. Only thing you can do is damage your engine. You can't it's damage your gearbox. You can't damage your engine. Yeah, man. In time there, say, as me say, anything Seymour touch, I hit me believe and I hit me know. So I say, try and mash it up. I mean, I tell you, I can tell you, just wheel and rev that car all day, all night, and come back with it and say, Omar, I can't
You
manage.
win.
Yeah, man. I can't manage this guy. This guy are the best.
Zid.
Yeah, man. It's supposed to be the fastest thing in drive. See if I say, boy, I drive it all day. Virgin, the man give all him wife the car.
Yeah.
The man give him wife the car, say, listen, drive this.
Yeah.
You can't mash it up, just drive it. But I never drive through the town, I see me see I drive through. Yeah, that car was awesome, man. That car was awesome.
Zid.
And at the time, I did have the Pulsar too.
Well, we're going there, so no, we're going there, so. Zin, but what ended up happening eventually? You sold that car. Who bought it?
Well, what happened though? Andel always said to me, listen, Omar, let us focus on one car. The road thing not really necessary. Let us focus on one car, and let us focus on the Pulsar.
Okay.
You never really attend that. Let us say, Awesome. I can't bother with that. And
Yeah.
end up that I'm a youth, make a youth pan away, you know, I said, John was star.
Yeah.
Just say, oh, you are.
Priorities
Time
of
is
the strip
over
of
for the
liquor.
road. Yeah, and so
One second, Omar. One quick sec. Yeah, I just want to take a little break to just big up the sponsors for tonight. Right, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, Zidage Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. Yeah, man. So back to business now, Omar. So,
yeah, man. So I'm not telling him, so listen, Andel, you know, so I'm not going to sell this car because I'm going to need something more comfortable when me youth born. I'm saying, because about what I say, yeah, man. Like when I say,
yeah, boy. Yeah.
Because they always want us to focus on one car.
Yeah.
So, then we move over to the Pulsar.
And the Pulsar you're talking about is the same Pulsar you have now.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. When we move over to the Pulsar now, it was an all-wheel drive, as you know. It is an all-wheel drive, but because you hear all these bad things about Pulsar, say, listen, the gearbox now go all up and all of that and blah blah blah. So it's alright. We decided to. But we talked to Seymour. Seymour said, "Listen, let's run a two-wheel drive." We started out. Let's run a two-wheel drive. We took out the driving shaft and turn it into two-wheel drive. Come out with it.
Sibali asking a question, Omar.
Yeah. You see him Pulsar beat everybody waits him a beat. Right,
okay. Hey, Bali, love him mix up, you know.
I'm a good friend, man. And his son, man, you know, I think better like see more idiot for months, you know, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm a Pulsar to see more idiot for months. All the hard motor, man. Got them on there, I tell you, man. Yeah,
man.
So end up that I think I ran 11 seconds with that car. And we decided to go all-wheel drive. So we were like, what are we gonna do with the gearbox? I was told that this company out of Australia by the name of PAR, they do gearbox for those cars.
Yeah.
So we get some gears from them, come out with the car. I run a 10-4. 10-4 it was. Yeah, from 11 seconds to 10. And
front wheel drive?
No, as I said earlier, I switch over to
the all-wheel now.
Four-wheel drive.
Okay,
yeah.
Got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that all happened because of winnings, you know. I think that and mash up the other jam was mash up the 11-second class and then say, yo. All you drive now. I put some gears in this car. I say, yeah. So, anyways, when switch over to the all-wheel drive now, I think my best time was 10. Is it a 10.5 or 10.4? Not so sure. The 10.5 or 10.4. And before that, 10.5. Anyways, I was running George Bailey. Anybody follow me on Big Up Call, Big Up Jabbar. Anybody follow me on yeah, man, I know. Yes, man, I done that, you know. Yeah. So it's easy like it's Seymour says 10-4. And the dance said 10-4, so 10-4
Okay.
bro, sir. Simple,
Okay,
go
sir.
easy. Long time we are on time. So, anyways, when I was at Vernon Field one day and I remember running George Bailey and shoot off of the line. 1, 2, and I go third. The car neutral upon me with the same power box that we have in. That I tell you about. Car neutral upon me. And I was like, damn, what is? Anyways, I end up lose that race. And come, you know the day down right there. Come back down and a couple of days after we check it. As I said, when I got third, the car neutral up, but the end up that day, it was the fourth gear that got damaged.
Oh.
Right? So we thought it was the third gear. So we end up that we order the third gear for the car. And we actually wait 2 years, almost 2 years for that part. Yeah. So the car was there, parked up, nothing. At one point in time, Andel said, listen, Omar, spray the car. End up that me say, yo, come try and get a matte black. The matte black did hot.
I run
Get that guy spray the car. Get that guy spray the car in a matte black. Because I said, what that done? Like I'm gonna try a thing. I'm gonna try a thing, bro. I tell him, I say, yo, I don't know. Try something. So we go over about the car. We put it in the same color that it's in now. So
okay.
As I said to you, when the part actually came to Jamaica, it was wrong. After waited 2 years, the part came in wrong. So called back the company in Australia and they're saying, oh, sorry about that, but we have the part that you need on shelf. So we can do it. We can ship it to you in 4 or 5 days you get it. 4 or 5 business days you can get it. I said, okay, great. So looking out there in the field now, I realized Xavier and Kenty Timal, they actually running 10-0, 10-1, 10-0 consistently. I said, no, sir.
Can't win this.
And I'm not gonna say that. I never ever said that. I said, me can't make no underbeat me. And me can't beat them with a 10-4 or a 10. My 10-4 cannot beat them.
Right.
So I said, listen, what we need to do now is put the car together. I said, Seymour, here what now? Me want to run 10-0. Right? Them are run 10-0. Me want to run 10-0 too. I mean, I have to beat them. Them can't beat me once me I run the same time with them.
Yeah.
Them say, all right then, boss, no worries, sir, whatever. Seymour put the car together. We decided to do some things to it and come out with the car. And all of them time I may tell you about, I never die now. See? And it's run like Super FC and all of them. And a big computer we used to run. And no, we actually move over to the Altec Sport 1000. When I said that I need to run 10-0,
yeah,
we go for the Altec Sport 1000. Right? Down by Vernon Field, they normally have test and tune like 2 weeks before the race. Sometimes 1 week before the race. Yeah, it was 1 week before the race. I actually go there and test the car. And I run a 10-1. 10-2 it was. Yeah. Platinum 1000, yeah, Seymour Sedan, yeah. I ran a 10-1. And I was a bit said to myself, nah man, this not right. And him say, yo, what up? I say, yo, Bridget, the car run this time and whenever I have the launch control never set up because Howard wasn't here. He was in Canada because he lives in Canada.
Right.
And we actually come out and we never get to set up the launch and we come out and run a 10-1 or 10-2. Believe me. The following Sunday, it should be race and it rain out. I mean, tell it push back to another week. And I tell you the truth, brother, it wasn't a good feeling because all I am thinking about is how I run the 10-2. I mean, I said, Jano, this car is not a 10-second car. Yeah, Seymour, 10-2 without launch control, yeah. This car is not a 10-second car. And everybody is excited because I am the driver. I know exactly what me feel. So I said to myself, all right, set up the launch control, come back out. I come back out now, I run. Launch the car, 1, 2, and a few meters before the finishing line. I back out of the track. I did not brake. I just come out of the track. Right? I remember Jabbar meet me halfway. That's one of my team members, Jabbar. Meet me halfway on the track and said, yeah, man, people dead. You get what you want now, brother. So I said, what that? He said, 10-0. I was actually looking back for the 10-2. He said 10-0. I said, blows and skirt, Jabbar. The car on a 10-second carry. I said, what? Come man, we good man. We run that time out about after 8, about minutes to 9.
Yeah.
So you know, Vernon feel them on time when you come on to racing. And I said to myself, no sir. Start drink, me get back sober, me drunk and get back sober. And I said, Jano star. I'm all over the place. I'm confused because I said, no, dada. This not right. So,
oh, by the way, you just hit the 300, the infamous 300 viewers mark, you know. Yeah, not many persons have done that since the start of the live, so big up on that. Yeah, man, good job.
Yeah, man. Anyways, Chris Elliott. I don't know if you remember Chris Elliott from DRC.
Yeah, man.
Because it was Nick Manley alone in 9 seconds. Right? He just running 9 seconds and I go easy back, you know. I said, Jano star. One if me can do 9 stuff. Oh, I should tell you this. The gearbox, they are saying that it cannot run a 9 second.
Right.
It cannot do a 9 second. So really and truly, I wasn't thinking about 9 seconds. Even on that day, I was saying that, listen, the car can do a 9 second, although them said the gearbox cannot do it. It may be mash up. They said, fine, at least it mash up and I do a 9s.
Yeah.
So, it's all right. I go to Chris Elliott now and say, Chris Elliott, here what now? Can I get another pass, please? Because them start going off the 2 lanes now. And say, listen, that is it for qualifying. So, Chris Elliott, him on a quad bike. Him take him on off of the angle and say, you can't run 9s, virgin. You don't see how the time hot. The car will go slower. You don't see how the time hot. And believe me, Kedron.
Yeah.
I was so pissed.
See.
Go back in my stands. Sit down on the bus. Him realize I'm upset. Him realize I feel that. So him come back and say, all right, Omar, sorry about that. You can go ahead and take a pass. I never move to it. I never move to it. So I say, you know what?
Make it see.
Come here, man. I'm jumping at the car. Everybody say, yo, where I go? Where I do? I said, Virgin. Oh, before that, I was walking towards the car when Chris Elliott tell me that. Coming from the starting line, I saw damage. Him have, I don't remember, but it was about 3 Evers. think about 3 of us him have, pushing out to the line and say, 10 seconds to full, I'm going to show them how nines do.
What?
Yeah, man. So I say, shit. Left that alone. Because here what now is a man who me really and truly look up to. I say, you know what? But me left that alone.
Hold on. Is a man who you look up to or did look up to?
Did look up to.
Did?
Yeah. Did look up to. Remember, say me not afraid to talk. You know? When I come to talk, I come to talk. You see me? Alright.
Trouble.
What? Yeah. So, when I see him push out the cars, them now, I said, Channel Star. I left that alone. I'm back later in 10 seconds. Lizard, come to me and say, you know, I'm back another pass. So I said, why? I never really know him that much. I said, why? The man said, no man, go and go run the car, man. Go and go run the car. Long after that now, him tell me, say, I realize, say, listen, I'm the only man run 10-0 in the class. So them want push me out there because him not have nobody to worry about. That Lisa like my telling say, yo, me not have nobody to worry about but this little youth there. So I say, all right. When me come out, I watch damage them go out. None of them run. Not even the 10-0 that I run that day. So I run go for the car, I go for the car, and I say, yo, everybody I say, yo, Omar, where I go? I say, yo, I go do a nines. I go do a nines. Man say, where you up to? And they'll turn to me and say, Virgin, where you do? He said, I go run a nines, man. I go run a nines. He say, yo, Omar, you sure? I say, Andel, I'm here to talk to you, man. That's easy.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, he hold on the door and look and say, yo, brother, go ahead and do it. I say, yeah, man, I go just do it and done, man. I not go hold back the car. I say, go there and do it.
Yeah.
I say, Rennie run come to me with an HS back and say, oh, yo, I go spray the intercooler. And I say, just do whatever you want to do. Whether you do it or not, I am going to run a nines.
See it.
So I go out there that day, and I run a 9.6. Very, very, very excited that day. I was very, very excited.
That's your first 9 seconds?
My first 9 seconds was a 9.6, and I know that I could not compete with that Supra.
Yes.
That was Nick Manley Supra. Yeah. But at the end of the day, I saw where I'm going to get a second place trophy for the first time that I run a 9 second. And I said, yes, at least I'm going to get a 9 second trophy for the first time. It doesn't matter if I'm first.
Yes.
I am going to get a second.
See.
So, me and Nick Manley ended up go to the finals, yes, and he beat me.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're back and forth now. Same day, I run nines again. And not a one-off thing, you know.
So and a buck up. It's not a buck up.
No. We no buck up after we no blind.
And you never stage the back wheel either.
No. We don't know if we do anything there. Yeah, man. So, anyways, still feel good. Go back again.
Yeah.
Go back and the whole of the Super they march out this time, you know, brother. All of them, you know. The next
red, white, and blue.
Man, red, white, and blue, brother. Red, white, and blue. Them did sick my stomach, man. May I tell you the truth? Them did sick my stomach. May I tell you, I couldn't manage them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. And until me say, listen, a psychology me have to go try and use and beat them Super, you know.
Yeah.
And I did give it to the. I realized Rory.
Yeah.
Is a big coward. As a matter of fact, I study all drivers.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I can tell us, listen, when I tell us I'm going to beat you,
yeah,
I'm going to beat you.
Straight.
That damage race one already, you know. Me and damage one already, you know.
You and damage, hold on. You and damage race already?
Yeah, it's a rematch I'm going to give them. I mean, it's going to be a replay. When we check
hold on. So hold on. So who win? Hold on. Me need to find out.
No, long and shot. No. Long and shot. What I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
me sure me I go beat him.
Oh.
If you understand what I say.
Okay.
Me actually know how me I go beat Damage. It's only thing that I'm asking. Me ask myself when. Because
Is that a matter of... Okay. It's a matter of when.
Yes, when.
All right.
Yes.
I see I'm coming
from... No. Don't get it wrong, Damage. What I mean is, me I go beat you. Right? So me just tell you, say, me know how me I go beat you. So me have to tell myself, say, yeah, the race I run already and I may win. Okay. So me I never run physically.
Okay.
So
got
get it straight.
Gotcha. What? Choco just a tune in.
Yeah.
Trouble dead there.
Yeah. Chukuton Taka now.
Taka.
Yeah, man.
So, the one on the race, sir?
Oh. Not until in come on, Jarvis.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Five one lane, as long as two cars can fit on it, me a race. Some man I say them afraid of wall. Kind of wall.
Hey. All right, sir.
No one I do the support man. At least.
Zid. All right, so we are at we're going up to 300 viewers where we were a while ago. So we won't waste any time. Get straight back into it. So Omar, we're talking about your first 9 second.
Yeah.
The 9.6 when you're on the 9.6.
Yeah, and then come back again and the meet after that now. As I said to you, red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. Me tell you, say, brother, sick my stomach. Yeah, man. But remember Banks get involved with the 9 second. Just wipe him out. Because, I'm Mitsubishi drive, so I easy beat them.
Hold on, Omar. When you say wipe out Banks,
yeah, man.
What you mean?
Beat, man. Yeah,
beat and teach?
Yes, man. Them not murder Banks, man, for qualifying, man. We not even see him back in elimination. Man.
So hold on. You know, would I love if Banks could come tell you what other race they do. Believe you me.
No. Listen, me no company sitting a lie in my general.
No. Oh gosh, Omar. We know you're not telling a lie. But I would have loved to hear from him.
Me tell you, say, listen, the super them, me can't even diss them up. Because them used to sick my stomach. Me say it's like me, I say, yo, want find a way how to beat them. And I did find a way.
But Omar,
yeah.
I believe that the correct pronunciation you gave those cars at one point was suppers.
Yeah, as me tell you, yeah.
Right?
Let a comment. I say make sure me have them chat there. I want to them, man. I'm always full of chat, man. I can't defend it, man. I have back it, man. Have back it. Make sure you have them chat there whenever next. Me have back it, man.
All right, sir.
I want to them, man.
All right, so the stoppers, right? Wait, so let me say just sick your stomach.
Yeah, until me say, a psychology me have to use and beat them because me I tell you say 9-0, 9-1, 9-2. Me never see them time there yet, brother.
All right, you never see them time there yet, but you beat cars that run faster time than you.
Exactly. My fastest time at Vernon Field was 9.5, and Chuko is the one who made me run that time. He's the one who made. Listen, paved the way. I say, yo, try run down the Supra. And it was 9.5.
Well, let me ask you this, Omar. Do you think that you could have beat Chuku that day?
No, I know I couldn't.
Okay.
Him the general, like him the only man I couldn't.
No, but Omar, remember start drag racing, you know. I'm from your line upside down, man, you know.
Virgin, Chuku no make mistake.
Okay.
Chuku no make mistake. You can't have it literally fast for run up on Chuku.
Okay.
You understand?
What about now though? Me no want jump forward too much, but
mine not jump forward.
What about now? Wait. All right. We are going wait.
Yeah, that's
the boss have to wait.
Because me tell you say, I'm the first man I call. I mean, it's like me, I say, what go on, Chuku? I ask me when I call him. I say, where you the pan? Come back and race him. I say, nah, man. So I tell him, so all I'm going to do, I just beat him time. I say, all right, if I beat the time, I don't need to worry about you then. Because he's a virgin, you know. I can't tell you this, you know. I'm revengeful, you know. You understand me? You understand me? So, no, Rennie, I think it was 9-5. I don't remember. I think it was 9-5, Rennie. I don't know. You must know. I know. Rennie said it was 9-4. I think it was 9-4 or 9-5, Rennie Chuku. That was the fastest at Vernon Field. Yeah, but as I tell you, I tell Chuku, say, I have to beat him back. But him tell me, say, now come back out with the car. So, him say, all right, beat the time. I say, all right, fine. You understand me? But, as I said to you now, as I say, a psychology I have to use and beat them super. Nick Manley, the car, I think that car move over to truck stop.
Right.
When it move over to truck stop now, maybe the two Supras in a one day. The red and white one in a one day, right?
The red one and the white one.
And the white one in one day. And the white one get two out of my belt.
I thought I thought I beat Rory one.
In one day, yeah. Yeah, man. 2 times in one day. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I think there are some issues with the light, so I end up have to run back that race, and end up that I still beat him. Then I come back, go to finals with the red one, truck stop at the time. I think it was, I don't remember that guy. The Ever brother there. I don't remember him.
Adrian.
Adrian was driving it. Adrian was driving it. And I did win 9-second class that day. And I tell us, brother. No, that's the video when you see me at, you know, when I talk because like I say, finally get to win a 9-second class though that champions. Don't have heard and feel. So we decided to, Kenty decided to open up Jamwest and
no, but hold on, we not reach a Jamwest, you know, because somebody said earlier in the comments that you also beat Kenty.
Right. I forgot about him.
You come like you beat too much people, Omar. You have to go start write them down.
You guys have to remind me, you know, because you remember. You have to remind me, guys. You
have to go start write them down, Omar.
Yeah, man. Kenty ran a 9 point. The first time he come out with the car, I think it was a turbocharged car. Between 9.4 and 9.5. Tell you, man. The man them get hard, heated and say, yo, I gotta show you how Honda, not Kenty, you know, because it's a very cool youth, you know, big up Kenty.
That's it.
Every man start come and say, I gotta show you how Honda walk tuning, son. I'm say, all right.
So you never get a little bit intimidated by that, Omar?
No, brother. No, man. Okay. No man can intimidate me, man. No man can intimidate me. No care them try.
Seen.
Yeah, man. I'm say, all right. I go link Kenty because them set up the ladder. And me and Kenty for road. I go link Kenty now. First time ever even exchange words with him. Same day me beat him. First time ever exchange words with him. I don't remember saw him standing up and I said to him, "Good day, sir. How are you?" And he said, "Yes, sir." I said, you sure you want to run, or you just want to tell them say for just
give you the winnings?
Yes, because I go beat you now. I don't know, you might feel shame. I don't know, because you just come out the car and fastest tool you drive and whatever. You know?
So out of concern for Kenty, you gave him that option?
Yes. Because I know I go beat him. You understand?
Understand.
Him laugh and shake my hand and say, "Don't worry yourself, man. We will meet." And I did meet him up and I did beat him up. You understand? Him say his gearbox pull apart, but me no business with that. Because I left him for
win is a win.
No, I know win it. He would have to try and catch me up at top because I left him right on the line. You understand me? I left him right on the line and said, "Try catch me, boy." Yeah, so I wasn't excited about that race because it's like me know me. I just say Supra them was my main concern.
Okay, so Kenty wasn't really a threat.
No, he wasn't.
Okay.
Remember the under them know they're known for one run and can't go back again, you know.
Okay. Either engine failure or drivetrain.
Yes.
Okay.
They're known for that, you know. And come like condom.
You're not throwing any words though, Omar.
Me not afraid to throw it.
Okay.
Me not afraid, you know. Me not say Omar attack, you know. Most of them like condom. One run and it done. You ever reuse condom, eh? Eh?
Hold on. Omar.
What's happening? Yeah, man. Me not afraid of
you know what?
Me not afraid of that. You understand?
Alright, Omar, you know what? We have some more questions, but go on still. Go through.
Yeah, and me did wipe him out. That day, and you know, I don't remember how some of them races ago, but we end up move over to Jamwest. Right? And when we move over to Jamwest, different playground now. Kenty never run the car on the first meet. I don't think he ran the car on the first meet because he was actually busy trying to organize this thing and whatever.
Right. Mm-hmm.
And
hold on, Omar. See, I get the underman them agitated in the comments, you know.
Me no business with them. They can't talk all they want. They can't make all bad comment all they want. Me no business with them. Me no afraid of none of them. None of them.
All right, Maz.
And me attack with me. Listen. Me attack with me.
Hey, hold on.
Fired.
See a girl Roland something they run with now. See Roland all I call name. Lizard with the condom machine. Lord of mercy.
No, tell Roland about try to think say a friend he might try to look, you know, cause and me make him win the 10-second class last meet, you know. Ask him if he's willing to tell the truth. I walk over to him and said, "Wait, listen, Roland, listen, Virgin. When you drive the car go all over the place, don't back out. Just go and steer the car." And I realize him look at me and said, "Okay, all right. Yeah, man. And him come over and him I say, end up run and end up. I say, ratted. You understand? But he come like the wrong thing me do. I teach the wrong student. You understand? If him willing to talk the truth, you understand? Even last night when me hear Damage say, him to be careful, me must be careful of Roland. I was like, you know, so I'm not gonna come in. Let me just wait until my turn. I can talk. Wait on Roland. Come on, Roland. Come on, Virgin. You're not afraid of Roland for?
So, sorry, let me ask this. And Roland is in the comments and he's saying, yes, your advice did work. So So Roland not taking anything away from that, which big up Roland. But are you saying that?
And the thing is, listen, it is so ironic, The man who's supposed to teach him when me I go beat him. Can you believe it?
So the teacher, you are going to be the teacher.
Yes. And I'm here to try to teach him student. He's not a good teacher, as a matter of fact.
Not a good teacher.
Exactly.
Okay. Well, before we get down to the nitty-gritty, let us talk about your undefeated, you being undefeated at Jamwest. Am I correct? Yeah. You've never been beaten.
Nobody never eliminated me yet.
Okay. All right. So it is fair. I mean, all right. Let's talk about the 9-second king title. Is it? How did that came about?
What, the king?
The 9-second king.
It was fans though. You understand? Because remember, you can't give yourself a name.
True.
You cannot give yourself a name.
Yes, so it's not a self-proclaimed thing.
No.
See, you work for it.
Me work for it. You see me?
Okay. Hold on. See, Roberta fire some shot in the comment here now.
Him tell him some bulletproof vest. Him can't come to with no shot. Him not talk right now. Tell him to go one side and go try to organize the race. Let us continue what you're saying. Let us continue.
I see Puffy is in the comments. Puffy is saying that he beat you at Jamwest already.
Him want to hype now. That's when him used to keep the race. Yeah. Him want to look at hype now. We are talking about Kenty start fielding.
Okay.
Tell Puffy me saying if you go join, but you might hear me. Go join back the line and come again. Go and go join back the line and come again. Please. Let us continue.
At the time when let's kind of tackle this. At the time when Puffy beat you, what time were you running? What class were you?
That's the time when I switched over to the all-wheel drive and I was running 10-4 or 10-5 before the car changed over, and
So you were not yet the 9-second king.
No. Before I ever run 9s, I break an action in that race. I break an action. When we line up, I never make it through the quarter, but a win is a win.
Okay.
So you
all right. So
want to hype? Take a hype off Viking. Nothing wrong. You can try and take a hype off Viking.
Well, thanks for clearing that up. Right?
Yeah,
thanks for clearing that up. So
I'm wise make him win.
Really?
Listen, that lady Rhonda, big up yourself. Puffy, yell up Rhonda for me. Yo, man, listen. It's like me tell myself, say, yo, I got this. I go shoot, I go mash up the starlet. I got this. The lady run from all the way into the tower. And run come in front of the car and do like this. And I tell her, so when she do it, brother, I go down in the chuckle.
Yeah.
I go down in the chuckle. And when the lights are green, action break. Action break. And I think he broke an accent, He broke an accent also. But the car actually...
But all I know... But Omar, the same thing where you look like you have over these races, it look like Puffy had it at one point because I hear damage last night say boy, Puffy was the man to beat. Yeah.
I was listening, and honestly he was right. And that's the only time. What is that come with, man?
Well, Lizard say you better make sure your brace is strong. Whoa.
My backline with steel and construction, me. Construction, yeah.
But they come like say Lizard one borrow couple of your teeth them, Omar.
You like some of you missing it?
Well,
like some of you missing.
Well, you are. We soon get.
Me, a war man. When you see me come at track, a war. So if you're ready for war, just come ready.
All
You know
right.
that, yeah?
All right. Well, Omar,
Yeah, man.
you remember that Lizard got some new parts the other day.
Me too. Me have new parts.
No, hold on. We soon talk about your new parts, them, We soon talk about yours. But Lizard get a billet bellows, which I believe was the weakest link. I would say on his car. So that is sorted out now. The drivetrain is solid. The engine is already solid. So, you're not concerned even just a little bit that about this all-wheel drive Honda. We just saw
I
Bujo.
I think I would get a better challenge with Corey. So that's his name? Or the guy who drive it before?
Oh, with Corey driving.
Yeah. Lizard is a good driver.
So what about Lizard driving?
No, I can tell you this. As I said to you before, I study every driver. I don't think I should really come on the live with this though, but I study every driver. You understand? Okay. It may make it may come down go through the quarter with that guy. Lizard can drive, but probably is not used to all these power that he's getting now. You understand? Most of the underman, what them do, them race for horsepower. You understand? Them race for horsepower. Because when I watch Lizard car, I see him come out, I tell you, the car, him could have, I don't think he need a billet part. I don't think he needed that.
Okay.
You get me? Because when though, I him mash up the car, purposely mash up the car the last time. When him double clutch.
So, all right, you having more experience, well.
I wouldn't say, no, don't say that, because they have the experience though, because he started in the same time.
With a Polestar.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah. I remember his Polestar. But as I said to you, so much power. Because remember, that car he had before, he never have so much power. So it's a different driving pattern he have to come with now. So
let me ask you something. Let me ask you something. Is it did Lizard do anything wrong with double clutching the car off the line?
You can't have a car like that and double clutch it.
Okay.
Seems so true. I
Okay.
can't attack anyone. So it seems so true. And the king attack. You can't double clutch car with so much power. The car is very powerful, just by listening to it. It is very powerful. You can't listen. I shock you, I go shot the drivetrain.
Well, let me ask you something. Would you ever race an all-wheel drive Honda?
Yeah, I go beat them, yes.
Okay.
Remember,
so anything
there, if him come back.
So anything they put in?
Yeah, man. Once you come in my class, I go deal with it.
No. No. I'm not talking if you go up against it, Omar. I mean, if you were supposed to drive it.
No. I can't do that, bro.
What do you mean?
No, one time I ever drive a Honda with power. It was Wayland car. And it's because my friend, that's why. Wayland have a...
You never want him feel no way?
As I say, Wayland have a friend, and I hear some man Wayland come from, bro. Wayland have a Type R back then. Like, powerful. I think it's a low 14s. He used to run them. No. I think they carry around 13s. I'm going to drive it one time out by White River. But apart from that, no, sir.
All right, BG Tuning is asking if you would drive a Honda.
As I said to you, no.
Okay.
I would
not even as a daily.
A daily? Let me say this. My sister have a Honda car there. I drive it every now and then. And I tell you.
All right.
But
not to race.
Bash me. Nah. No.
Okay.
I drive it every now and then. I tell you, so sometimes you have to hide because they bash me.
Hey, if a man see I drive a Honda now, man will take a picture now, man. I tell you no.
Me know, man. Me know.
Yeah, man, they will take a picture night, man.
You know, and they'll try with a Honda before, though. Yeah, man, when I open the bonnet, I be a money run out tight, man.
So what happened to the project?
That can't go nowhere, man. Until I said Honda take too much, man.
Wow.
Everybody have them. everybody have them.
Them preference.
Yeah.
Got
Everybody
you.
have them. Nice. Some of them comments I tell you this. Brother, that is comment.
All right. Meanwhile, I read some of the comments. I just want to say a big shout out to our sponsors for making tonight possible. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, ZH Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. All right, back to business now, Omar. So, last year, what the last time you were out, you were out racing, was last year.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think that was the showdown with you and Squaddy.
With the slow barrel, yeah.
Now, there are 3 9-second Subarus presently. There's Squaddy, there's Curtis. Both are from Pretty Blue Performance. Big up Pretty Blue. And there is Swiffy. Right? Big up Swiffy.
Man,
Are you a little bit concerned about these cars getting the edge on the 9-second king?
The slow barrel?
The Subarus. I'm not going to go down in the politics with you, Omar.
I don't know a Subaru. I know a slow barrel. If you don't want to say it, it's all right, but I know a slow barrel.
Yes, those cars. Are you a bit concerned?
No. Squaddy get a chance. I give Squaddy a chance already. I never take it. He never want it, so he can't get it again.
Yeah, because the man them say your work goes up on Squaddy. Because Squaddy left you in the hole and then the car just start miss.
And me too. Me go third, the car slip right through the quarter. Once I hit the third, the car slip right through the quarter.
So that was the one chance you gave him.
And he not take it. He never wanted it. So I don't know.
Would you give any of the Subarus another chance like that?
No, it can't happen again.
Okay. No. We were mentioning parts a while ago, Omar. And by now the whole world know that the whole world by now know that you're
So the man was some buck at 9. I don't think him so go on. Although you can still have a bad engine but I tell you the truth. Let me tell you this. I'm not gonna come out unless it's right. Right? I'm not gonna come out unless it's right. Pretty blue. We shall meet again. So like I got a church service. You know the song, we shall meet again. But I think about now Subaru, my brother.
Hold on, Kenty. What Kenty says, so you better make sure you go eat off the trailer. If not, all motor under my box here.
No, let me tell you this now. I am known for that, you know. Remember, nobody never see me at the diner yet, you know. No, nobody never see me at the diner yet, you know. So I am known for that. As I said to you, I am not coming out unless it's right. I am not giving anybody any chance to beat me. I'm going to tell you that straight up. You not get the chance to beat me. So all this man we have comment and I say, my buck and nines, you and your friend them not get the chance to beat me.
All right. Omar, Damage said something last night and it was his night to talk. So I'm going to ask you now, you're in the hot seat. Now, Damage was saying that for you to be at 9-4 and say that it don't make any sense to go faster.
Stop it right there. Can you see some sound like 4 I did not tell a time. Don't say that. I said to you, say,
no.
I'm never repeat it. I'm not come out unless it's right. I did not tell you a time, Kenty. You can't say me sound like Porter. And me sound like Porter, I got the repetition. And it's going to be bad for me, bro. Don't do that, Kenty. You're embarrassing me, brother. You're embarrassing me, brother. I do quarter mile racing. I don't do 1 mile racing. Don't do that, Kenty. Don't do that, bro.
But Omar, you have brakes on the car and you have a parachute.
Yes, I do.
Okay, good. That's all I'm asking. That's all I want to know. Not going to get into the mix-up. Kenty say that mean you plan to go 8.8 or faster.
Me say. Listen to what me say. I'm not going to tell no time like them, like Porter. Because I remember saying me a man when I'm afraid to call him. I'm not going to tell no time like Porter. But me I go 15, boy.
All right.
I'm coming to beat. That's all me I say.
All right.
So you were saying no, damage no.
Yeah, man. So Damage was saying, long and the short, Damage just said, why you never go faster then? Long and the short, that's what he was saying. Why not go 8 from then and just say, you know?
All right. Me and talk some nonsense, you know, and I refuse to comment on it last night because I know I'll be here talking tonight. So, him say, oh, me never have no competition or whatever. Yeah, of course, me never have no competition, brother. Me sure, me never have no competition. Me talk it all the while. Remember, I think me walk up to your camera already and say, listen, me need some competition. Then and there now I can move on. You understand? And listen, I saw where I'm going to have competition. That's why I take this step. Because I could be still out there racing, you know. You understand?
Same.
Remember when I brought the engine, it was a Saturday? Yes, when I brought the engine the Saturday. Put another engine in it and ready for the next morning. Because of the whole rush, we have some electrical problems. Maybe because you know the quick putting up and all of them, we maybe cut out.
No, but hold on, Omar, stick up in. You know, I have to big you up. You know why I have to big you up? I see enough drivers come and race and them earth up Saturday, and that's it for the weekend.
Yeah.
My have to salute. Fun and joke aside now, my have to salute you. I'm not saying that other racers have never done that before, but for you know, it's not something you see happen quite often. You know, some have to salute you. You get a spare engine when you earth up the Saturday and you put it back in. You're putting back another engine.
No, you get it wrong. Don't say I put it back in. It cannot work without my team.
Big up your team.
That's all.
Big up.
It cannot work without my team.
Big up Jabbar, big up Andel, big up everybody.
Oh,
the whole Chemtech racing. Yeah, man, Chemtech racing.
Yeah.
You know,
and also, as I said to you, that engine. Why this man? Why me I tell you? Omar spare Mazer's engine. I know you know. I mean, I go pat you on your shoulder when I see you. That's why I beat nobody that covered. But yeah, as I said to you, I could be out there racing now because that spare engine is still stand. But as I said to you, when I come back out the next day, I have some electrical problems. So you invited me at your car show, and we even planned to take the car there. But we big up Leroy, that real mechanic that here. Big up Leroy. Yeah.
Same.
So big up everybody in my team still. So as I say, when I come and I say damage car, and I say, blow, car clean and pretty, man. But I realize him have I don't know if it was a spare tire in the bonnet, but him have a real big wheel in the engine room.
You're talking the turbo.
Big enough, brother. So I said, okay, come like him have a spare tire. And so I said, right. I said, you sure this is gonna make you go fast? And we just go in there and I pick some arguments with him and thing, but I never know how, I don't know if I did approach it wrong or maybe I just misjudge him still, but I never really want to move too far, so I just did walk away because I realized I look around me, I peer cameras, and I say,
Yeah.
They might bring mic to me, but you may not know how to do selecting work. I know how to drive. I did not take the mic because I realized the damage done selector the night.
Yeah.
Even when I host the show, man, I host the show the whole night, man. I said, God almighty, damage done selector. So I turn, I say, no, let me go back in on my own space. And I move away. And thanks for inviting me. Because that was the
Big
night.
up, man. And by the way, the next show that we're hosting, we're inviting everybody. Zin, we're not sure when yet, but yeah, we're inviting everybody. Yeah, man.
And of course, we're going to take the car there. Definitely.
Respect.
Yeah. So, from that day, we decided, because we're not going to go around you, brother. We're not going to go around you. We tried over and over, and the car was very consistent, as you know, right? And in 9 seconds. So if we try to go faster, we might break something. It was a stock. It was a stock block, right? Listen, I never ever run a built engine, as in built block and all of them something. I never run that before. Yeah, the one that we never run that before. Anyways, we end up that Howard said to us, listen, once we go up more with the boost, we're gonna damage whatever with this. Yeah, so I was like, what to do now? What next? Because me and Damage clash last night, and Damage have a Chani in him car, and I always ask for competition. No, it look like me gonna get competition.
All right, let me ask you something, Omar. Did you get a little bit scared when you saw Damage's setup? Like you said, no, man.
Yes, but I don't show it.
Got you. Straight.
I'm going to be honest.
Straight.
But I don't show it.
You know, me afraid to Omar. You know, say enough money and I go say yes. Enough money, but they go be honest.
Them are liars.
You see, me afraid to be honest.
Yes, me be honest.
You understand?
And
yeah, man.
I tell you the truth, it bothers me a lot.
See.
And I say, listen, what we gonna do now? You think I mean it bother? It bother handle too. But I might try if it be strong. Right?
Zid.
Sit down in my office and I couldn't do no work. Could not.
Yeah?
No. I said, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, no.
I know me the one to hear the car start up and thing. I said, Jesus Christ, what gonna happen now?
Yeah.
So following week, I always browse through my phone and I said, what to do? And they'll call me like every minute and we are talking about this whole thing. I said, listen, what we're gonna do? And
yeah.
Let me just take up the phone and call Mazworks.
Yeah.
So I call Mazworks now and talk to them and I call Andel and said, Andel, come check me down at the office. Theme style, how happened? I said, come check me, brother. Turn to him and say, say, I call Mazworks. And I say, me? He say, yeah, man, I call Mazworks. And Kenty, go on, man. You can't eat alone, man. Yeah, so we call Mazworks. It was a Tuesday. We call Mazworks now and we decided to do a block only. Even when Damage said we change setup, we change setup 3 times already. Nothing like that. We decided to do the block. So they gave us the quotation for the block only.
Okay.
And then after that, Andel said, listen, I'm going to need the head to. It don't make any sense. We go halfway.
Right.
So then and there, I leave it up to Andel. So get the quotation. And then we ask for the banking information. So say serious.
Yes, I are.
Yes.
And then
We take the plane
work start.
and go, and then I take the plane the following day, and I go to
Yeah.
Orlando. Yes. Big up
Zin,
Williams.
Zin.
Big up Williams.
Zin.
He actually meet me there also. I met him in somewhere in Orlando, and then we drive to sorry I did not call you though, but I never so sure. Never so sure graduate. We never know if never get it.
You're good, man. You're good.
You understand? So we both go there, and then from there, that's where it all started. So it wasn't a situation where we changed anything.
But Omar,
I did not.
The dog at the airport name start sniff your car. Dog, they sniff Kenty, you know.
Kenty, I own that man. They must sniff him.
I own that dog smell.
So you see what you just said now? You see the thing is links. It's links. So some man that say them have links and them might hear things. They might get them information wrong.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying? Because all I did was move from the block and go to and tell them, so we need a complete engine. That's all.
Yeah.
You understand?
So it's no Walipa.
No, we don't make that changes.
Different. No.
It's just that we undecided on the gearbox we're gonna use. So when you go back to here, so may have ever gearbox. I'm gonna be honest to you. There's not much Evers out there. I rather to use a Everbox.
Yeah.
Because we cannot take the bashing with the under. You have to use under. You have to use under for run time and whatever. We never want that. I'm going to be honest with you, we actually bought two under gearbox. But I'm not using it.
Zid.
You get me?
Yeah,
so, they must say here, so me have under. But no, the cars then when we make and you understand, never ask questions. But as I said to you, I'd rather to get bashed only from one person, which is damaged, than the others. You get me?
All right. So it reached a point now where at first you were saying that you wanted some competition, and then
I realized
damage. Damage step up to the plate.
I even said to myself when I saw the tranny in the car, I said, "This car not going to run nice." You understand me? I never ever said I want to run 8s yet. Listen, I know what I want, but I'm not going to speak it out like that. Like some other man. I'm not going to push it out there and say, listen, this is what I wanted. You understand me? But I know exactly what I need, but I'm not going to just put it out there and show it to them like that. You understand me? So,
yeah, man. So,
that's when I tell it every day, yeah, but what's in the sandbox week, my brother? Say weird.
Yeah, man. But you see, the thing about it now is, right, you know, you're at a point where you're saying, you wanted some competition. Damage step up to the plate, and you know, did a setup look pretty impressive. And you say, listen, you know, I have a winning streak. You know, I have to.
I was wondering if it was like a car, like a show car thing still.
Oh. Okay. Zin. Well, show car in the sense that, you know, all show and no go. Omar?
Go again.
Well, it's all show and no go.
Yeah. Clean and pretty good.
But, you know, on a more serious note now, in terms of your project, because we all know that, you know, you occupied the 9-second class for pretty much 2.5 years or thereabout.
3. It was 3?
3 years.
Well, Kenty can tell you from the start, from Kenty started up until now.
Right. And it's not an easy task for one person to be consistently defending that 9-second title. So kudos to you. Yeah. Right?
Yes.
But we're at a stage now where cars are getting faster.
The game actually changing.
We have more cars now on the verge of going 9s. We see Johns, right? We see quite a few persons, you know. So you decided that it's time to get serious.
Repeat that?
You decided it's time to get serious.
Yeah, man, if I egg me off in the red, man, I say. I'm not comfortable. I'm not feel comfortable knowing that I run a 9-6 or well, I do a 9-4 at Jamwest. But when I realize, when I look, I see the setup with some other racers coming with me, I said, no, this is not a 9-second. You understand? A 9-0 or lower. So let me go back to when we decided to move over to a different, a stronger setup. Because I said I need a 10-0 car back then. Because I saw where Kenty and Xavier Murray, big up to Xavier Murray, them consistent all day, 10-0, 10-1. I said, listen, them me want beat. Me born as a leader, you know.
Straight.
You understand? Me say me want to beat the man. We are anybody will up on top, me want to put him down to the bottom.
Yeah.
The lower part, sorry. Why for that?
Why? Yeah, man. Go nowhere that.
Yeah.
But you know, it's all in the sport. You know, it's good to know that we have competitive
competition
racing in Jamaica.
I love it. But listen, I can tell you this. I remember running at Jamwest. Once I run from the Saturday, even if I run a 9-9, so it wasn't fun. It wasn't fun, none at all. I run a 9-9, and by 5 o'clock in the Sunday evening, they call in 9 seconds, and it was just me. You understand?
So basically, you're going to race for the whole.
Exactly.
You're going to race the whole weekend,
no fun.
and not just 2 times.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's why I was saying, why try to go faster when there's no competition? So as soon as I see where we're going to have competition now, that's when we decided, so listen, and they'll say, oh, Omar, it's time to step up in the game. You see me? And that's where we step up. So why try to go faster when there's no competition? Why try to turn up the boost on the car when there's no competition?
Yeah, hurt the car and
that no make no sense. Because we can use but the same gas for the following meet.
And win the trophy and cash.
The cash. You understand me? So that's why I used to say, listen, I don't need to go faster. Because I don't have any competition. So now the game changing. Right? Everybody know me hype and show off already. Me no afraid to chat. So me want
Damage said something last night where I think persons in the comments, I see them been asking, I guess they want a little bit of clarity. Now, Damage sent his car to spray.
Oh, all right. Let me address that. You realize I did not on that. So obviously I realize you get shaky already. You understand?
Yeah.
But no, so the car did a long time, you know. So when they must say him take it up the next day and whatever, sure. That's a start. You see me? Because when I was sending the front bumper there, when I called the guy and said, listen, we need the front bumper for spray. It was a fiberglass front bumper. And I said, I need it for spray. And he said, send it. I said, why you cannot come down here? So I said, yo, Andel, you deal with this man here, man. And I said, no, we have to bring it there. So I said the car, no, I never got there. I don't know where it is. You understand?
Same.
But Mr. Picture.
So you're clearing the ear.
Yes.
You did not
ever
go there.
No, we have people
Okay.
can do things, man. We have people who do things, man. And they know that too, man. Big up to Rookie, the spray man. The original spray man. The overlord in the comment there. Yeah, man. So it wasn't a situation where we have to go to Kingston to spray the car.
Hold on, Omar.
Wherever.
Omar.
Yeah.
Yeah, you kind of went chip out a while ago.
Airport.
Okay. So it is nothing like you set the part your car part there to go and spy them, so to speak, on
the car
damage.
actually got to race while the bumper is there.
Oh.
It was a fiberglass bumper we decided to go with.
Yeah. The audio a little low, Omar.
Hearing me now?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what I'm saying is the car actually got to race while the bumper was there. It was just a fiberglass bumper we decided to go with.
Okay.
So it wasn't a situation where we spraying over about the car or the car have to go to Kingston to spray. No. And that guy do a lot of work for us. A lot of work.
So it's just the bonnet or the bumper, you said?
No, the bumper, the front bumper.
So it's just the bumper damage and catch him covered then?
Yeah. And see that? Look, see, you see, in catching covered and still, you see, you can see somebody call up on the car gone on it. Because his car come back discolored.
Yo!
His car come back discolored.
Well, hey, I tell you now.
Like getting covered. The man said he couldn't sleep. Getting covered. He man said, can't believe the same car I go beat me. The bumper there, the same shop. That's what I say. Yeah.
The same car I go beat him.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Let us move forward a bit because we're almost up. We're almost close now. It's almost time for the wrap up, and we not give persons the chance to ask any questions yet. We don't do the credit giveaway as yet. So it means we may go over for a few minutes into the next hour. Yeah, man, we may go over into the hour just for a few, just to wrap up things. But in the meantime, I just want to say big up to our sponsors, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting Horsepower in a Bottle, Zidach Performance, Massive Auto Parts, and Kaizen Wrecking. All right, Omar.
Yeah.
I realize some of the fastest cars in Jamaica have either red or blue. I wonder if it's coincidence or is a planting.
All right. The two fastest Nissan Pulsar is red. Yeah, one a blue, one a red. One a blue and red and one a straight red. But let me tell you this. Big up to Williams. The man that have the flag up, and I'm right there with the flag also. You understand? Big up to Williams. He never run 7 yet, but he's a 7-second car.
Right.
Real machine. Real machine. You understand? Yeah, damage attack about that. He can't stomach that machine.
Yeah? That will give him running belly?
There I my God, man. I run up and down faster than when he see the bumper of my car, I'm going to turn idiot. Me can't tell that. You can't manage them carry, man. Listen, let me tell you this. Not much people like Nissan, you know. The first thing them say is, oh, Nissan overheat and whatever. Well, it wasn't a car where we said, listen, Nissan is a car where
me choose. It choose me. But this side me like by. Well, as I said to you, I never have no choice anyways. Because I come and see Seymour. Come and see Seymour with Nissan and me them on Seymour say, no say. And Nissan me have to choose.
Straight.
You understand? Because Seymour try with Toyota, you know. I was man, Seymour try with Toyota. Seymour did have a what them call the car again? If I Scott, I don't remember it. It's an old car, marked turbo on the side, a gold color one. Long time. Right? And I tell you, him try with different cars, but him stick to Nissan because him get the speed out of it. And everybody cannot like the same thing.
That's true. It wouldn't be as exciting as it is now.
No.
Yeah, that's true.
It wouldn't.
That's true.
Everybody, listen. That's why I'm telling you, listen. I rather to move to a ever drivetrain, which we haven't even decided yet,
right,
than to switch to than to go to a Honda drivetrain, because we're gonna get too much passion.
Me know what you mean. But Omar, what if the Honda drivetrain is the more reliable one?
Can't be, because I will prove it. Look at Altec.
Okay.
Don't buy Altec World Cup. They never hold up.
Okay.
The 4-wheel drive K, they never hold up.
Okay.
You understand me? So Arville prove it. You're on a hit 3, fastest Pulsar, fastest 4-cylinder in the world, fastest Pulsar in the world.
GTI-R, yeah.
Exactly. Big up to Arville again. And we are going to raise the flag higher. You understand? And we are going to beat the Honda man them and the Mitsubishi man them harder.
All right, 10 minutes, Omar. Right, I'm not putting you on the spot. But what can fans? Well, not fans. What are you? Well, what can fans expect?
Well, nothing
on your.
Nothing but.
All right. We know it's your first. We know your first time out. You know, you're probably going through some R&Ds and probably testing. I'm not sure, testing the waters a bit. Should fans expect a lot on your first outing? Would you say?
As I said to you earlier, we have some testing. Of course, we have to do. We cannot just because nobody is perfect, and we decided to. Well, we have to do some testing, right? Not sure if we're not. Well, maybe we have to go on the dyno. The dyno is something that I don't like,
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it. I think it put too much pressure on the car. You understand me? So maybe not. So we have.
I know you won't be able to disclose everything on the live because, of course, you have to keep some things. You can't make your opponents know what you're coming with fully.
Yeah, because damage me no want damage turn idiot, Yeah, man. I love run up and down. I love run up and down. I don't want to go and shut the car.
You know what? I can tell you this though now. You see any meet that you and damage, like people just have the slightest clue say you and damage.
Nah man, listen to me man. Kenty, I forgot Bill Moore grandstand.
No, man, I tell you.
Kenty,
No, man, I tell you. Any day, you and damage are going to line up. Me know Jamus can't hold. Because I guess that would be one of the biggest showdown of recent time. You understand? We probably have to go, have people watching from in the sky. So that's definitely one race not to miss, people. But in the meantime, before you and the listing, a shout out to the sponsors. But in the meantime, you can peeps, if you have any questions for Omar, feel free to post them. We can't ask all the questions. We'll just pick a few that we can ask. All right. All right. Kent is asking a question, Omar.
Realize, man, see question, man.
Yeah. So you can choose to or not to answer. It's up to you.
We are doing our work.
See. All right.
Yeah, we are working.
In the meantime,
as I said to you, we don't plan to come back and be what if me can beat Omar? Or me can beat Omar? Me can give Omar the 1 and 2. You understand? And that's the race.
Oh, that's so, hold on. Oh, the voice is so like my brethren squad is so.
Hey, give me 1 and 2. Give me 1 and 2. Me decide it. The race no stop there, so. Quarter, man.
Bro, you know, say squad here, my little brethren know. So, me not gonna make you.
How much power the car have? The only 525 horsepower. The only time we ever dyno. Apart from that, that was like a couple of years back. I mean, we never dyno. Never dyno it after that.
So you say, the 1 and 2 thing now go work again, Omar?
No, the race finished at the quarter, man. Not at the 60.
Not 1 and 2.
No. I remember we don't do 1-8. This is not K, man. Yeah.
All right, Omar. In the meantime, people are type them question. Go ahead and you can drop a shout out to your sponsors, of course.
Well, I have to big up Chemtech. As without them, it wouldn't be possible. Chemtech Development and Construction Limited, right? That's the only sponsor. You run NAS. Pretty Blue. You run NAS. Used to, but not anymore. I'm not going to run anymore nitrous. Pretty Blue. When I go use the nitrous spy again, Pretty Blue. No, we're not running any nitrous. We're not going to run any nitrous this time, Pretty Blue. So,
So you say them not for worry?
Well,
okay, it sound like that you are saying, Omar. Me have to try.
I know try. We're not feeling them. We're not going in them league. They're not in my league.
Yo, boy. Hey, me here Chuku said the other day something about a deep sea.
Yeah, man.
See, so
the thing is, remember, if you understand, once you swim, you must reach.
So I'm telling one them were drown.
That's the thing now that I understand them.
So hold on now. So you wouldn't say Bojo
why?
Would they say he's learning to swim or
Bojo learning how to swim? I never run him time yet. I gotta be honest.
Yeah.
Big up to Bojo.
Yeah.
And first 8 seconds. First to run 8 seconds in Jamaica. Big up to him. But let me tell you this. Do it again.
We say him to do it again.
Yeah, man.
I make Bojo run all the 7s in Omar because you know.
At least begin the push. At least begin the push. I'm a boy still.
All right. Long story short, you say Bojo can't run the 8 again.
No, I did not say that. I'm telling him.
Okay, you're telling to do it again. Okay.
Remember, I tell you the first time I run 9s,
Yeah.
Like Ken Star call me out.
What going in the comments? So hold on. Omar, watch it, Hey. Well, I mean, Mr. Ken Star, I'm not sure if he's issuing a threat.
Tell him to mind met Jody have a wife in tears,
Yo. But yeah, I mean, the deep sea thing now, cause I guess Chuku is saying that he out a deep sea. So
yeah, but I've been swimming. That's what I'm saying. I've been swimming, so I go reach the deep. Cause I've been swimming. It's not like some others like Damage, where not really I swim now. Remember, I said damage jungle do the customers them cars. Remember, I said damage now swimming. I mean, know for swimming, brother. Again, you know, about 2012, damage swim and can't swim back again, man.
But Omar, from a man know how to swim, Omar. You know, feel say he will always have what it takes. Because remember, remember say damage. No, but Omar, remember say no, damage is not going gearbox, you know. Him not have no up and down and miss gear thing, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
You might get too old, man. He might forget tranny.
So you say old man use tranny.
Old man use tranny.
Hey, I'll be in trouble.
If you get it right, it got nice, man. I'm gonna be honest. If you get it right,
but you still nice. But you still gonna use the H pattern and schooling.
Still I go beat him. I tell you what I go use it. Still I go beat it.
Oh, sorry, my boss. Sorry. Ah, boy. All right. Question, peeps. If you have any question for Omar, you know, we have about next 5 minutes. You can ask any question. But big up to Chemtech Racing.
Every time. Without them, it wouldn't be possible. Without them, it wouldn't be possible. Without the team, remember, one man can't do it, you know, bro. One man cannot do it. And this team that I look up to, as a woman that, listen, you know, Underman, them very lie. Underman, they lie this man in the game. But you see,
serious?
Yeah, man, them lie, man. But the only set of Underman that I look up to, and I go be straight up. This team, what them call
Spatek.
No, man. Them good too, man. Them not really out in the media like that, man. Them good too. But them name again, man.
Ross built.
Are the body screw that, brother. Remember that.
Zane.
Ross built them. Yo, remember me. That the only Underman them ever helped me out when I come race. When I go race, I run out. Listen, run out a hile. And I go to the man them. The man them say, yo, see Isla, how much you want? Remember, pick up to Ross built. Them are the boss. When they organize.
So Omar.
Yeah.
So Omar, so technically, Ross built are the only set of Underman them were safe in our way.
Yeah, man, them helpful. And no matter what type of car you drive, them still help you out.
Big up Ross built. Big up.
Yeah, man. Every time. Big up Ross built.
Yeah, man. You know, see it. But all right, let me do a credit giveaway. We have what 300 and something viewers, live viewers now. So peeps, get your phone ready. We're going to do another.
I'm silent news, Ricky. How you going? Go on the island on this side.
Yeah, man. Big up Ross built.
Every time. Ross built, I've done them, man. I boss them. They're the boss.
Yeah,
whatever you're doing, you're doing good, bro.
Yeah,
keep up the good work.
All right. We're going to do another mobile credit giveaway made possible courtesy of Toda. So big up Toda for sponsoring this mobile credit giveaway. So it's a digital credit, by the way. So you can get your phone ready. Right? So here goes 707685 and peeps, whoever win the credit, could they just please just know, let us know, all right, please. So here are the last 4 digits: 6052. All right, so I'm going to repeat it: 707685986052, and that's a $200 digital credit. Made possible by
my little son get it.
Your son got it?
Yeah, man.
Oh,
he wants a big up to you guys, though.
Yeah, man. Make him come.
Hello.
Yep. Hey, what's up, bro?
Great.
Congrats on winning the credit.
Thank you.
All right. Yeah, man. So that's $200 mobile credit made possible by Mr. Christopher Carty, aka Toda. You know, big up to everybody sponsoring the Nightly Live series. It wouldn't be possible without you guys. Okay. Last couple questions from you guys before we wrap up. Last set of questions for Omar. Damage is asking Omar, how soon you think the car are ready?
We are halfway. We are trying for the next meet. So, when are you gonna ready?
All right, so Damage, that's a question back at you, Damage. When are you gonna be ready? All right. Who else? Any other question?
Yes, it is. Yes, so I go on. See somebody just come and say, my son I win. You know, see it?
Yeah, man. Then if you winning in your bro, if you winning in your bro, I mean, it go transmit, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, see, Dana said not even credit the underman and can't win.
Not even that, bro.
Yo, all right. I see somebody asking when is the next meet.
We don't know.
We know. We have nobody don't know.
Nobody.
Yeah, we don't know what's going. Yeah, we just have to wait and see, you know.
Yeah, we just have to hope and pray, you know.
Yeah. All right. Somebody asked what you think about Bad Oil, because Bad Oil did say, or Mr. Oil, sorry, let me correct that. Mr. Oil did say that he is planning to make a return.
Oh,
you know.
All right. Let me say this though. It would be good if all of the Cayman man them pack up and come. And we Jamaicans, we plan for them. You understand it? We just plan for them. You understand? Remember, we are worried with one another now. You understand? While we are here. You understand?
Yeah.
So, remember you sent out something already for the guys them over the years. I see when so we are going to do it.
Hey, but Omar,
really,
remember say Cayman man, them no light, you know, man. Remember say Cayman man, them run time, you know, man.
Man,
they run.
No, listen to me, brother. Man, they are Jamaican, speed no stop one place. Man, they are Jamaican like too.
That's true.
You understand?
True.
Man, they are Jamaican.
Well, all right. So in other words, then.
And the only thing I gotta say now, I gotta big up to my sponsors again. Not sponsors, my sponsor again, Kentech.
Yeah.
Okay. Big up Kentech.
Seed.
Without them, it wouldn't be possible.
Straight. You're right. It is now 18 minutes after 10. I just want to say a big shout out again. Can't say it enough. You know, Omar, you know how sponsorship goes. Sponsors make everything possible, you know.
And we are open up for more also. You understand? Because right now we are using Amzal. We are open up for more sponsors. You understand?
Okay. And anybody is willing to sponsor.
Yeah, man.
How can they contact you? How can they contact you?
Instagram. You can contact me on Instagram, and from there we go.
Omar Evering.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or Evering 1.
All right.
Definitely.
Yeah, man. So, of course, I do have some sponsors of my own. I really just want to say big up to as well. Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club.
Yeah, that can.
Yeah, man. Sponsors make it up, man. Believe me.
Anybody want to join the team also? We are open. You understand? Yeah.
See. Big up Kenty. Yeah, man. You don't know. I forgot to say today my birthday, you know, but the vibe is so good that me really don't have any regrets. You know, it's a good look away for you know, spend the birthday. You know, see it. Yeah, man. So, yeah. If we can take maybe one last question before we go. One last. But in the meantime, big up Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club. What performance, quickly wrecking and haulage, boosting horsepower in a battle, Zedage performance, massive auto parts, and Kaizen wrecking. Right? Yeah, Jody, yeah, man, today my birthday, man. But I kind of just a low key. That's how I go, man. Yeah, man. I kind of just a low key and I go and take it easy.
So Ricky asks if an underman can join the team. Definitely, at least we can convert you. Because remember, say you get kicked over with them underman over center and already. So, yeah, man. Can make you feel real speed, real power. Yeah.
So, hold on. Which underman get kicked from which?
Ricky. You might ask if underman can join the team.
Alright, left that alone, bro. We're not going to politics. Left that alone.
Come on, then, Virgin. Sure.
Trouble. Yo, trouble there, man. Trouble there. All right. We can take one last question before we go. Yeah, tell Lily big up for me to know, Ken. Yeah, man. Thanks everybody for the birthday shout out. You know, really appreciate it. Trust me. Could I never spend it another way. Yes, one last question before we go. Anybody, you have your chance. Because we don't want nobody say tomorrow, oh, them never get to ask Omar what they want to ask, you know? So, shoot a shot. Hey, no, thanks again, Jody.
No crazy, Jay. I don't like circuit. Thought about it all the while, but no.
Circuit?
Yeah, he was asking if any circuit.
Oh, if you do circuit?
Yeah.
Okay. How much time you're on 9?
Uncountable.
You can't count?
Uncountable.
You know, one of them there you probably need to just take a picture and throw for them, Omar.
Remember, you asked me already, and I'm saying I don't really want to prove nothing to nobody like that still.
No, but I know that. You probably can't find out like throw for them, and that's what you say.
I have them, man. I do have them.
All right, big up Uncle Seymour. Uncle Seymour, I said big up 9 second king. Oh,
yeah.
Any? I have a question, Omar.
Yeah.
Any plans of retiring the 9 second title, unbeatable as an unbeatable 9 seconds since this Kenty drag rival series?
That's your question.
My question, that.
Left that alone. Me text you.
Trouble. All right. Lizzie has said big up.
Man. Lizard.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right. So tomorrow night, guys, we will be going live with Sarah Mizier, and she is the circuit racer. She's a circuit racer at Dover. Really talented driver. So tune in at 8:05 tomorrow. Thursday, yeah, man, we're going live with Sarah. And on Friday night, you don't want to miss Friday night. The one and only Bossy D, right? Bossy D will be stepping in some people neck back on Friday, you know. You don't want to miss it, right? On Saturday, we will be talking with Fraser McConnell, Jamaican-born international racer who has done a lot for Jamaica. So we need to come on out on Saturday and give Fraser McConnell some support. All right, peeps. Yeah, man. So Omar, it look like the people them at Friday night, what? It's a Friday night. We are come back. No, man, come back tomorrow night. We want everybody forward tomorrow. You know, see it. Omar,
yo.
We are going to call it a wrap, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. We are going to call it a wrap. Thanks again, Omar, for making the time to come on the live. It's always a joy for reason with you. Believe me. You know, the man them say you're a real entertainer, but it's not entertainer. You know, it's not just a bag of talk.
No.
You understand?
No.
Yeah. You have what you back it.
I always stand back my talk. And when they hear me talk, so you can tell us, so Omar have a plan.
Let me ask you a question. I have a question, Omar. if when you come back out, damage, just let's say for argument's sake, because you just said damage not going to beat you, but let's say for argument's sake, damage get a lucky one up. I am saying lucky, you know, me know damage not going to say lucky, but I am saying damage get a lucky one. You understand?
Now, if they're not this virgin, then, you know, so I never got one Uber man. Every day people are saying, oh, Uber, man. And I just confident, man. I have that laugh.
Yo, hey, you know somewhere a long time in a scene of racing, when man used to all carry all one little box and say a coffin.
Spy.
You understand? Spy.
Yeah,
man, and carrying little green bush, man. And when he done intimidate you, man, remember me tell you.
Yeah,
man, them man, they're full of props, man. Me I feel, and by the way, you know, Spy is supposed to come on the live, you know. You know, see? So, yeah, man, everybody accompany live, man. Fast car, slow car, manual walk, everybody. You know, see it?
But just
man.
one thing to know, listen, this thing is just racing, and you know, I hope for this thing blow off so we can at least go there and enjoy ourselves and don't take nothing personal. That's just straight Omar. You see me?
Yeah,
this
man.
is just Omar.
I just love at the end of the day.
Yes, this is just Omar. Don't fear to call the name. I don't fear nobody.
Straight.
Right? I mean, always one with straight up.
Yeah,
right?
man.
Yeah,
man. You know, I don't know any racer who is doing well, who comfortable with a second place or comfortable with losing, you know. Everybody want to win. Me don't know none.
Me cry.
Yo, we don't know none. So big up every single racer where you know you guys keeping the sport alive. You guys give the fans something to look forward to when they come out. You know, you guys, you know, even the risk factor, you know, Omar. You know, you guys going so fast is really, you know, there's a risk factor, but still, persons love to see rivalry on the track. You understand? People really love to see that. Yeah, man. So, as I said, I can't wait for us to go back out to the tracks and enjoy some racing gas and some burning rubber. You know, I miss some of them there.
True,
you know?
True.
For real, man. For real. But you don't know the thing. Go keep safe, Omar. Keep safe, everybody.
I'm going to advise all of the racers them to try and keep safe. Please, you know.
Yeah, man, wash your hands.
Yeah.
You know, monitor the Ministry of Health pages.
Just do the right thing, and then we can come out and enjoy ourselves. You understand me?
Straight. Yeah, man. So, as I said, everybody, I've been getting a lot of inbox messages about who is coming on. But remember, guys, we can't interview everybody at once, or we can't do all of the.
Maybe have to start it a little bit earlier, being that you know the lockdown started at 6, so you can start it at 7. I'll do the time.
Me go be honest, Omar, it really taxing to do 2 persons per night. Me not lie.
That's true.
And then too, you know, want do everybody one time, and then next month the thing get boring.
True,
people say,
boring out
me can't bother go watch no live, you know, yeah, man. Boring. No, we don't want that. Anytime it start get boring, this way I cut it straight.
True.
Yeah, man. So everybody just exercise a little patience. You know, your favorite racer will be on as long as they want to come on. You understand? Straight. Everybody, again, keep safe. One love. See you guys again tomorrow.
So before I go, I would like to big up again my sponsor, Chemtech, and Andel, the real man behind this thing. Without you and Chemtech, it wouldn't possible. So big up my team also, Jabbar, Romain, Leroy, Paul, Mark from out of Canada. Howard from out of Canada, just to see you. And listen, as I said, we are open.
The whole team.
The whole team, and we are also open
if you need to be a part of our team, feel free to inbox me. Don't be afraid.
Straight. And for persons who wish to support 876 Streets, if you are overseas, you can visit our website www.876streetsgears.com, and all our products are on the website. Feel free to support. We appreciate every single support, everybody who have been supporting 876 Streets. Please keep on supporting.
Right? Yeah, man. Seymour the Dan. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah,
Without you,
Seymour,
I tell you.
General.
And you,
Race car can big up.
Remember, I see Seymour, let me know so I can do it. Big up yourself, Seymour.
Yeah, man. Straight. Yeah, man. And Uncle Seymour, if you come on the live too, so I don't want him feel too, like say, him now come on, So everybody will come on the live. Everybody. Yeah, man. So again, keep safe. Much love, everybody. Oh, one last thing. I have to big up Chemtech as well. Who they have been there. They have been there supporting as a sponsor for my event every single year. It's our annual event, Cruise Control. I really have to say big up to Chemtech for always sponsoring, always coming through. Much respect, bro. I appreciate you guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So, yeah. If anything, you don't know, tomorrow, same time, same place.
Yeah, keep safe, man.
Yeah, man. Peace out.
All right, bless.
Respect.